Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the tail light or replace the tail light bulbs on Mercedes W163. It will cover the years, should cover from 98 all the way until 2005. So this is the tail light, guys. Left, right is the same procedure, but we're demonstrating on the right side. So in order to remove the bulbs, you still need to remove the tail light, and with a 10mm socket there is two plastic nuts that you need to remove. Okay, just like that. You can see what it looks like. You can even use a screwdriver on some of them, but we don't recommend. Better use a socket, because with a screwdriver sometimes they break. And now, as you can see, it's loose on this side. Nothing is holding it there right now. So there is one clip right here now. You need to pull to the back. As you can see, that's where it goes, a glide. And that's where the light bulbs are located now. As you can see right here, and if you want to squish right there the two towards each other, you can hear them snapping out. And okay, that's where the bulbs are now. And if you need to remove the tail light, you just need to turn this one counterclockwise about 30 degrees, and now you can see we have the tail light out of there, just like that. That's simple. And now the bulbs, as you know, okay, the ones right here, you replace them the same way, all of them. It's the same procedure, so you need to turn counterclockwise about 30 degrees, pull it out and put it back in. Pretty simple procedure. Okay, the bottom one is for the tail light and the brake light. So again, you need to push in a little bit and turn counterclockwise. That's how you pull it out. And if you need the numbers, okay, right here. And then you just go ahead and install it. You need to find the slots right there, you can see in the hose. And once you do that, you just turn it counterclockwise again. This is for the turn signal, this one is for reverse, and this is for the fog light actually. And now all you have to do, just go ahead and install the lights back on. So you need to push in, make sure everything lines up. Okay, just like that. And you need to get the little light on the side. If you remove that one, that's a park light as well. Okay, it's pretty simple procedure. And you need to make sure that everything lines up, and all you have to do is just install the two plastic nuts, and that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.